This video, I like to explain how electric and magnetic field actually create for dipole antenna. Let's take a look on this diagram in order to understand better. The signal actually enters the center feed point of the dipole antenna. Okay, so for example, imagine this, okay, instead of receiver, imagine this as a transmitter. So basically for transmitter, this actually enter the dipole antenna. One side actually will be the positive. As you can see that one side will be positive. The other side will be negative. You can see that they basically toggle. This actually create a time vary current in the two metal arms. Next, when current actually flow along the two arms, okay, because the signal is altering. For example, the signal is actually a sine wave. So basically they change from positive to negative, and hence current actually flow along the two arms to and fro if you look carefully on this animation. With this, electron actually again also will be moving back and forth along this metal arm. The movement of charge actually produce changing electric and magnetic field along the antenna. Let's take a look on this diagram to understand better. So when current actually change, it actually create electromagnetic field. Okay, so basically from this diagram here, you can see that the blue color, they are the electric field, and the red color, they are actually the magnetic field. So once the current altering, it create two field, E field and magnetic field, and hence this E cross H will provide the direction of propagation for the EM wave. Next, okay, the field actually detach and they basically form this electromagnetic wave closer to the antenna. Okay, so basically if you look at closer to the antenna, the field are actually attached to the conductor. But as current keep oscillating, the E field and magnetic field actually support each other, and finally they actually detach from the antenna. This actually form a self-propagating electromagnetic wave that actually travel through space. This is what we know that how the signal actually release out from the dipole antenna to the air. If you want to know more regards on this, please see the playlist under the description. Thank you so much.